Hey, Jen here from Alpine Fit. I'm going to highlight some of my favorite pieces in our collection, starting with the Ridgeline Racerback tank top, which I'm wearing here in Wild Iris Fit. It's made from our recycled poly and silver fiber containing fabric. So it's antimicrobial, which means it's anti-odor, and you can wear it for multiple adventures or longer trips. It also offers sun protection UPF 50+ and has this fun painted fern print across the back. Available, like I said, in Wild Iris Fit for a straighter frame shape, or Azalea Fit for a curvier shape. That Azalea Fit is a little narrower in the waist and a little bit wider in the hips. Another favorite piece of mine are our bushwhacking leggings. So I'm wearing the bushwhacking leggings. They have a stretch hiking fabric on the front of the legs, a sturdy legging fabric on the back of the legs with a large phone pocket, and they also have a draw cord waist for adjustability. Also available in the Wild Iris Fit and the Azalea Fits. And then additionally we have fun accessories. So we have everything from really versatile basics like this merino wool hat that you can wear folded back style or slouchy style, and it fits under a bike helmet, or our antimicrobial silver fiber containing fabric in our headbands as well, in fun prints. Also fit under a bike helmet or in a pocket in your backpack or your summit pack. So yeah, these are some of my essentials from Alpine Fit's collection, and thanks for watching.